Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a 1953 Ford COE truck or cab over engine truck. I've been looking for this one for a long time and I finally found one. So I'm really excited to open this and see how does it look. You can see it's finished in black. It has got the Moon Eye livery, I would say, but let's open it up and see. So here is the truck out of its packaging. And it looks good. It's finished in matte black, has got some good details. So let's start from the front. Up front you can see how big it is, how high it is. You got the chrome headlamp, chrome grille down here, chrome bumper. You got some flames going on. Again, looks cool, huh? It's a custom truck, so you can expect all the flames. You got windshield wipers here. Does miss out on the mirrors. I don't know if Matchbox ever did one with mirrors. Maybe they did not. But I think the older times they only used to have like one mirror on the driver side. So coming on the driver side, you can see it has got some good details. You got the Ford COE written here. You got the moon eyes on the door. I'd say speed especially, I guess. Does it? Yeah, it says speed especially. You also got detailed door handle. You can see the chrome printed. You got the quarter glass here. Interior is in black. The wheels, they look really good. They also got this yellow highlight going all around it. Yellow painted. That's it. Tires are rubber because it's a collector's edition. So rubber tires, no plastic tires, special wheels. You won't see these wheels on like main lines or moving parts. They save their best for like collector line. Also, if you can see here, again custom paint, the hint of custom that it's a custom paint job. This lower part or the fender are done in plastic, everything else is metal. So if you look closely, you will see slight difference in paint, a very slight difference in the color. Again, it's a custom truck, so custom bed. So you can see there's a small window back here. Coming to the back, again good details here. You can see moon eyes and the custom design going on. Detailed tail lamp, chrome bumper, looks really good. Now coming to the passenger side, it's almost identical. Don't see any big differences. And this is how it looks from the bottom. So chrome base. Yeah. Overall, well, it's a good looking truck. And I don't think a lot of manufacturers do this in the smaller scale, and I always liked COEs, so I always wanted one, and I like this one, so I might be a bit biased about the details, but again, it's a good one. I like the wheels, I like the paint scheme on it. Would have loved it if there was a mirror on any side, but again, can't ask for more. Well, those are my thoughts. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.